This is Jumpin John, assembled from traditional elements by Robert Burns. This tune first printed in 1687 in Playford's Dancing Master as Joan's Placket, and then it got to be known as Jumpin John, country dance tune. I'll sing it for you and then I'll talk more about it. You can count on me for that. Her daddy forbad, her Minnie forbad, forbidden she wouldna be. She wouldna trow't and browst, she brew'd what tastes sae bitterlie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. A coon, a cauf, a yowe and a hauf, and thretty good shillins and three. A vera good tocher, the cotter-man's dochter, the lass with the bonnie blackie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. The lang lad they called Jumpin John beguiled the bonnie lassie. So, go through the words. Her daddy forbad, her mother forbad, forbidden she wouldn't be. She wouldna trow't the browst she brew'd, what tastes so bitterlie. She wouldn't believe the beer she brewed would taste so bitter. A lang lad is a long lad, a tall lad. A coo and a cauf, a yowe and a hauf. A cow and a calf, a ewe and a half. And 30 good shillings and 3. A very good tocher, the cotter-man's dochter. A tocher is a dowry, so that's the dowry, the cow and the ewe and the 30 shillings. A cotter was a poor, in America they're called sharecroppers. They traded, crops for place to live and part of the crop, that type thing. Not a wealthy person. So this was published in the second volume of Scots Musical Museum, 1787. And there's we have the Mansfield manuscript from Edinburgh, which was assembled between 1763 and 1786. And that has a fragment. My daddy forbad, my Minnie forbad, forbidden I wouldna be, for lang Sandy the sojer laddie is stolen my heart from me. So there's a couple of lines, but what I suspect is that Burns took the tune Jumpin Joan and made the character Jumpin John and matched the melody to so that he would actually jump, Jumpin John, like that, because he loved to match his imagery to the shapes of melodies. Can't be proven how much of it he wrote, but that's what I think.